The document which I took from time, I have not asked your lordship to number it or to receive it as an exhibit. I assure your lord, justice, my lord.
What is Exhibit A?
The small bundle which I've handed to your lordship yesterday.
Not came to me last night. That Exhibit A.
Yes. And then this will be exhibits.
Wouldn't that?
My road indicated to me how documents are introduced to court.
Purposes of appeal in cross-examination, when you go to the record on cross-examination.
The process or procedure that is being adopted, my lord, is incorrect. And the documents that exhibit, we are handing up documents that exist. This bundle is not one of them. And on that basis, we object, my lord, to the handing up of this document through this witness.
Advocate Heathcote?
I'm embarrassed, my lord.
Meaning?
For my learned friend's sake.
Okay, as I'm saying, counsel for the fifth defendant did not ask him, say, wouldn't it be a repetition of the document from that bundle? And these are documents that are there. The witness statement is already filed. The documents that were...
Thank you, my lord. Now, may I hand to you Exhibit C, Mr. Then you have over the page, the second page, which is unnumbered, you have an index.
Just hold on, counsel.
Is item number 1 is your combined summons of 26 October 2021. Are you with me? The exception was raised and then there was again a notice of intention to be. Then your case had another go at pages 88 to 102, which is a notice of intention to amend a particular. Are you still with me? Then at number 32 on the left, there was again a notice to amend. Then lastly, you will have the particulars of claim. Stay. I'm indebted to your lordship. So, that you keep yourself abreast on the amendments and how the case was formulated, amended, tried to be amended, withdrawn, and so forth.
I keep myself abreast with all the developments, including the Supreme Court, back and forth, on protective of.
Thank you. Now I want you to go in that bundle or Exhibit C then to and I will indicate to you in a moment of the page action that was raised against your particulars of claim, and in paragraph 3 we quoted what was stated in your particulars of claim. It said the red line, to the extent where it is, if it is sanctioned by any law, is unconstitutional on the ground that it's discriminatory and so forth. Is unconstitutional on the ground that it's discriminatory and so forth. And then in paragraph, when we dealt with, perhaps I should take you there, and that you can go to page 136 at the right-hand foot of the pages in that bundle. You see, we dealt with prayer 1, which you said, an order declaring that the erection of the veterinary cordon fence, which you then say red line, has not been carried out in terms of any law. But as I've shown to you originally in paragraph, on page 16, the right-hand foot of that document, you spoke about in as far as it is sanctioned, to that there is no law. So you follow the background? Okay. So my question to you is this. I'm not sure at all what you mean by prayer 1. Let me explain to you why. And if I say prayer 1, it's the prayer on page 136 of Exhibit C. Yesterday, you were looking and let me rephrase. You gave an example of other institutions like Nampower or the Roads Authority or the airport company. They have their own constituent legislation. You are aware of that? What law are you referring to then in paragraph?
The one says an order declaring that the erection of the Veterinary Cordon Fence has not been carried out in terms of any law. Yeah.
But what law do you want the court to have an act?
We have come as this ground. Maybe let me make it very clear. Let me refer you to the particulars to my particulars of claim, paragraph 18 in particular, page of the particulars of claim. But it doesn't operate like that. For you to get to university, you must go to grade 1.
So
on paragraph 18, paragraph 18 of the particulars of claim specifically gives the historical account of how the Red